don't include the ADU in the square footage of the house unless the ADU is attached to the house and you can walk from one point of the house all the way through the ADU. Here's a key thing I want you to take away. This has to do with basements, this has to do with ADUs, anything. If I have to walk out of the house to walk into another part of the house, it is no longer a part of the square footage. It is broken out and treated as a separate line amenity, a separate line adjustment, okay? So you have agents that, has a 500 square foot ADU and they're pricing this, they're saying, oh, the house is 3,500 square feet. And then we do, all the pricing they did was based on 3,500 square foot properties. And then I get there, and when I get back to the office and I start sketching out, I'm like, what? Man, I'm looking, I'm thinking, man, did I measure this wrong? Did I screw up? Wait, no. They included the ADU, which was 20 feet away from the house, in the actual square footage of the main house. And now we have serious and critical issues in the 20